Hi everyone, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. Today I'm going to show you a flip through of Klara Markova's new book Fairy Touch of Magic and also her I Believe in Fairies colouring postcards pack. Let me just put this aside for 1 minute. Now as you can see, the book is hardcover. It is fabric bound and has the usual gold foiling throughout the cover. It's the same size, shape and format of all of her other books too. There are 112 pages in this book with both single and double page illustrations. Now, if I flip it over to the back, we have a little message here from Clara that reads, "In the silence of a magical night, a gentle clink of a little needle against a thimble is carrying through the woods. What else will a walk through a mysterious woodland full of magic bring? Come with me on a journey where adorable little bats embroider mushroom tablecloths, where magical pumpkins tell stories, and where magic waits behind every tree you touch. Stop time and let your soul sing out with joy. Give the pictures a life full of colours and create an entirely new story, a story of your very own. Discover the realm of little elves, fairies, and cute little witches, and experience their life full of joy, love, and peace. I drew everything with so much love. Yours, Clara." We also get this gorgeous bookmark to colour, which we can use to keep our place in the book as we colour along, and on the back of it there's a list of all of Clara's previous books that you can buy. Now when we open it up, we can see that the paper is her usual quality and sort of an off-white in colour. And our very last page has the cutouts that we've become accustomed to in Clara's books. Now these can be cut out and glued onto some of the illustrations. And we also have this message here from Clara, which I will read out to you. I love walks in the woods, even at night, especially when the night is so mysteriously fragrant. I almost always listen to my intuition, no matter what it says, even if it does not make sense. And so today, I've gone for my evening walk again across the flowery meadow to the woods. I'm standing on its edge. I hear a soft clink, 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 as if two tiny silver mallets were clattering against each other. I cannot help it, I have to go on. It will be dark soon. Still, I do not care. I have to find out what is clinking so beautifully in the woods. My breath is speeding up, my legs are walking by themselves, my eyes are getting used to the growing darkness. But wait, the darkness is not black, it's a beautiful purple darkness. Tonight is special, this is the only thing I hear as it echoes in my head. I do not care if I find my way back. I know it is right to go further and deeper into the dark purple woods. The clinking sound is intensifying, so I'm walking in the right direction. All my senses are going crazy. I can even smell the sweet scent of vanilla. A small meadow appears in front of me, lit by the glow of the stars and moon. In the middle of the meadow there is a cute little house. Wait, it's not just any house, it stands on two legs, which are gently swaying to the rhythm of a tinkling melody. I'm getting closer and closer. Then I hear a beautiful, melodic voice. Would you like to have a cup of tea with me and maybe a piece of sponge cake? I look up and see her talking to me. A pumpkin? Don't be surprised. Don't you know what night it is tonight? It is the night of wishes that come true. Today, most stars are falling and tomcats are taking to the sky on their brooms. Bats are also embroidering their magic tablecloths today. And we have a freshly baked sponge cake. Come and stay with us. Forever. And I stayed in that magical forest full of the touches of fairy spells. So I feel free to invite you into my world, full of beautiful moments, love, and the purity of the soul. You are all very welcome. And by the way, the sponge cake will be great. It is just getting cold on my window ledge. Clink, clink, clink. Follow your heart, just as I do. Thank you to all the lovely people around me. With love, yours, Clara. Now onto the postcards. They come wrapped in plastic here, which I'm just going to remove. Okay, so this is a first for Clara, making some colouring postcards. We have 32 in this pack. It comes in this beautiful pink sort of envelope with gold foiling, in keeping with the tradition of her books. Let's open it up from this flap. Okay, so there's 32 colouring postcards, and you also get this pre-coloured picture here, which has a message from Clara on the back, which I'll read out to you. I am placing a piece of my heart in your hands with love. This small magical pink box holds a magic treasure, 32 colouring postcards from my fairy world. Each of these pictures carries a beautiful message full of love and tenderness. Thank you for spreading this message with me and showing the world a bit of the magical realm beyond this human world. Every postcard you send, every pack of these postcards you give as a present, will help bring more smiles and joys to the faces of those who receive them. You are sending love and happiness in the purest form. At the same time, you will delight elves and fairies and all the magical creatures that you will find in this pack of postcards. Please come with me over the imaginary bridge between these two worlds and immerse yourself in peace and quiet full of colours. I live in a world full of magic surrounded by fairies and elves, and I'm happy that you can be there with me. I love the evenings when I greet magic cats and cute little bats who carry apples to the fire and cauldron full of sweet caramel, where they roast them with little witches and end such a beautiful day in the whirl of joyful dance. With affection, I weave garlands with fairies who awaken spring flowers, and I enjoy amazing magical blueberries with unicorns. And in winter we celebrate with little gingerbreads whose hearts are so huge and full of love that just looking at them warms your soul. In a soft melody of lullabies, magic mice wish you a good night, full of the scent of freshly prepared Christmas punch. In a small clearing, under a rose bush, full of gorgeous wild roses, yes, where the butterflies lie down to sleep, This is where this small magic box full of love and tenderness can be found, and now it is yours. With love, yours, Clara. So I'll zoom you in and I can show you the postcards one by one. Now they are quite thick cards, and I believe they are good for watercolour, so they're quite thick. And on the back you have your space to put the address, etc., and to write a little message to someone. Okay, and I'll show you the cards one by one. As you can see, there's so many pictures there to colour. I'm thinking I might send some of the Christmas pictures as Christmas cards, and some of the others I might actually colour and frame for my daughter's room. Thank you so much for watching. I will let you know where you can purchase these items down below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.